Welcome to the Bloody Show, you lot. Today we're on a mission to uncover the most divine, the most exquisite desserts this side of the Atlantic. Get those taste buds ready because we're about to explore the absolute best each country has to offer. We've scoured the internet, we've listened to the people, we've consulted the bloody Google gods themselves to bring you the top-rated dessert destinations in each country. All right, you donkey. Let's kick things off with a proper British classic sticky toffee pudding. This beauty is a sponge cake, drenched in a rich, decadent toffee sauce. The sponge needs to be light and airy, soaked to perfection, but not drowning in sauce. And the sauce, oh the bloody sauce, it needs to be thick, rich, with just the right amount of sweetness. Head straight to the Pudding Club in Mickleton, UK. This place is legendary, with Google reviews praising its pudding as the best they've ever had. Next up, we're hopping over to Germany, the land of precision engineering and, thankfully, bloody good cake. We're talking about the Black Forest cake, a symphony of chocolate, cherries and cream. Layers of rich chocolate sponge soaked in Kirschwasser, that's cherry brandy for you novices, layered with whipped cream and topped with, you guessed it, more cherries and chocolate. For the gold standard of Black Forest cake, get yourself to Café Koenig in Baden-Baden. Google reviewers are raving about their authentic recipe and perfect execution. Listen up, you Muppets. We're heading to the Czech Republic for a taste of Trdelnik. This beauty is a rolled pastry grilled to perfection and coated in sugar. Imagine this. You're strolling through the charming streets of Prague, the aroma of cinnamon and sugar filling the air. You take a bite and bam, you're transported to dessert heaven. The best place to experience this culinary delight? Good food, coffee and bakery in Prague, according to those who have dared to venture. Right, you lot, get those stretchy pants ready because we're off to Poland for some Patski. These beauties are essentially deep-fried dough balls filled with deliciousness and dusted with powdered sugar. We're talking traditional fillings like rosehip jam, plum butter or sweet cheese. For the ultimate Patski experience, head to Blickel in Warsaw. This place has been serving up these Polish delights for generations, and Google reviewers can't stop raving about their authentic flavors and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Listen up, you bunch of numpties. We're in France, the land of love, romance, and bloody good pastries. And when it comes to elegant, delicate treats, nothing beats a perfectly crafted macaron. These little beauties are like clouds of almond flour, sandwiched together with smooth, flavorful ganache. La Durée in Paris is renowned for its exquisite macarons, with flavors that will blow your mind. Google reviewers are going gaga over their delicate textures and intense flavors. All right, you lot, buckle up because we're heading to Italy, the land of pasta, pizza, and the most heavenly dessert known to mankind, tiramisu. This classic Italian treat is a symphony of coffee-soaked ladyfingers layered with a creamy mascarpone mixture and dusted with cocoa powder. The coffee flavor shouldn't be overpowering, the mascarpone should be light and airy, and the cocoa powder should add a touch of bitterness to cut through the sweetness. For the best tiramisu in Rome, look no further than Pompeii. Google reviewers are calling it the best they've ever had, and who am I to argue? Listen up, you Muppets. Our final stop takes us to Greece, the land of ancient history, stunning beaches and bloody good pastries. And when it comes to Greek desserts, there's one name that stands above the rest, Baklava. This beauty is a layered pastry dessert made with phyllo pastry, chopped nuts, and held together with syrup or honey. For a taste of authentic Greek baklava, head to Sachertorte Syri in Athens. This place is a hidden gem with Google reviewers raving about their traditional recipe and perfect execution. Well, there you have it, you lot. A whirlwind tour of Europe's most delicious desserts. We've explored the classics, the hidden gems, and everything in between. Life's too short to settle for mediocre desserts, so go on, indulge a little. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more culinary adventures. We've got a whole world of deliciousness to explore, and I wouldn't want you lot to miss out. Now go forth and conquer those desserts.